Microsoft will invest $17.5 billion or 1.5 lakh crore rupees over the next 4 years to help build the artificial intelligence infrastructure, skills, and sovereign capabilities in India. This is what Satya Nadella, Microsoft chairman and CEO, has announced after meeting our Prime Minister. Responding to Mr. Nadella's announcement, our Prime Minister stated, "When it comes to artificial intelligence, the world is optimistic about India." Here are the details.
All tech roads lead to India. Microsoft's big AI bet. $17.5 billion or 1.5 lakh crore on India. The software giant's largest ever Asia investment towards developing artificial intelligence capabilities. The tech giant's CEO Satya Nadella made this announcement after meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday evening. Responding to Nadella's announcement, the Prime Minister stated that when it comes to AI, the world is optimistic about India. Microsoft said that the $17.5 billion investment follows an earlier investment of $3 billion towards establishing cloud and AI infrastructure in Bengaluru over the next 2 years and will ensure that the company has the largest hyperscale presence in India. Microsoft's Big Bang announcement comes weeks after US President met US tech CEOs at the White House in late September and pitched for more investments in America. At the meeting, Trump had asked the CEOs one by one about their investments in the US.
With the understanding that if they come into the country, if they're coming in, building, planning to come in, there will not be a tariff.
Tech giants in recent times have reposed faith in India despite arm twisting by US President Donald Trump. Microsoft's $17.5 billion investment trumps even Google's $15 billion investment plans for its artificial intelligence hubs in Andhra Pradesh's Visakhapatnam in partnership with the Adani Group. It will be Google's largest hub outside the US. Amazon has also invested billions into building data centers in India, while Prime Minister also met chipmaker Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Aramon in October to discuss India's advancements in AI innovation and skilling. These Big Bang investments across underline India's position as an uber valuable market for global software behemoths racing to build digital infrastructure. Bureau Report, NDTV.